So I'm Kayla Worrall. I'm the supply chain manager and leading production in the workshop here in Geebung. The company is SRO Technologies, so we assemble and manufacture products that go internationally across the globe for mining and bulk handle material and instrumentation. So we have a lot going on, we're growing really fast, and we had to move here quite quickly about 2 years ago. It started getting warm in here, so cue yourselves. The moment you were out here, even for 5 or 10 minutes, you were sweating straight away. There was no air movement. The closer you got to the big roller doors there was, but because they don't really connect throughout the whole area, that back corner was a dead space, and essentially when you were there, you had to have multiple fans on, but even then it was just rotating the hot air because we had no way to get the hot air out. Yeah, that's why we called you guys. When we knew that we had to look into it, I did some searching just on Google. I probably shot off 3 inquiry requests to 3 different people. You guys were included. I got one that was online only, one that didn't reply, and then you guys who called within the day, if not hours, of me submitting the request. You were out here within the next day or 2, and you came in, you knew what you were talking about, you knew what the issue was, and you knew like where our budget was sitting and what needed to happen to get the result. So yeah, that's why we went with you, and throughout that process as well, you were really good at communicating with us, project updates, all of that. When we had a delay with the project, we didn't ask, but you dropped off the massive fan for us so that we could have that extra week of cooling. But yeah, all of that, we've never really seen in a supplier before. So yeah, we picked you guys, and you from start to finish have been great to work with. If you can't see from like a bunch of things kind of flowing, there's so much more air movement. If you go into that area now, it isn't an oven, there is cool air and there is air movement straight away. So when we're doing those big builds and have a lot of staff in that area, there's a lot more cooling and just movement of air, which has been exactly what we wanted. Decent feedback from the team. They were stoked with the implementation. I think some of them have worked in hot warehouses where that's how it stays. So yeah, the team have been pretty happy with the outcome and just being in a cooler area.